New drop just released. Head over to kingsmustraz.ca after the video to see what's in store. Enjoy the video. Super Mario Sunshine. Good morning. All morning I've been working on a new cosplay prop for my friend. I'm actually building one of the guns in Valorant for her, and it is the Singularity Phantom skin. Actually, I'll just show you. No, check this thing out. This is like 60%. I had to figure out wiring to make this light up. Now we're just waiting for the glue to dry. So I've like taped it up and hopefully it holds in place. We got the magazine over here. And then I picked these up. I didn't even know they existed. They're battery powered USB cartridges. Got like a pack of 4 on Amazon for like 15 bucks. I don't know the voltage on these things, so I don't know what they can power up, but it's good enough for LED lights for this thing. For any of you Valorant players out there, this is the Singularity Phantom, and it's supposed to glow purple. Just gonna wait like 24 hours before we do any of the spot filler, final paint, and then hopefully everything goes smoothly. So far so good. I feel like I'm evolving in the prop making area of my life. But it's time for lunch, and I heard that Wendy's is having a collaboration with SpongeBob, and they're actually selling Krabby Patties. So we're gonna go steal the secret formula. Plus, it's a nice day outside. Probably gonna bring Gohan along, go for a ride, and try out this Krabby Patty, or their version of it. Yeah! You're all ready. Let's go grab some Krabby Patties. We're so cute.
Hi, can I take your order, please?
You know why I'm here.
Are ya ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I don't know how many people actually do that. Can I try the Krabby Patty combo?
And the drink, please?
Just a Sprite. Can I also do a pineapple frosty?
Last window, please, thank you.
Thank you. Go on, let's go. Frosty. Bro, I'm excited for this. Oh my god. Just heard it's good. Perfect, thank you very much. Let's go. Okay, and I also have to pick up some food for Gohan. This is the Krabby Patty. Alright, first off, just give this a taste test. It's already melted. Y'all are psychopaths if you don't dip your fries in the Frosty. That's actually really good. Let's see what we got. That is the Wendy's Krabby Patty. Well, with all the same ingredients, including the secret formula sauce, I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion. That's it. It just tastes like a Dave single, bro. Alright, I figured I would hit up this meet. It's actually a charity car meet that my friend TJ, aka Magna Cars, alongside Driven Society have put together. So I brought a couple of Hot Wheels to give to the charity. But first,
so every car we've had,
yeah,
same cars. So here's my RX-8.
Yo, oh no way!
That's
crazy, man. You're okay if I vlog, right? Damn, this is what a workspace, man.
I know. So this is our little hobby garage.
Sick, bro.
Valley. So that's what.
Okay, yeah, I see the little decal. So
now we're just going back down to wraps and PPF.
Nice.
Right?
Still big, man.
But like I have my journeyman and auto body, so.
Oh, beautiful.
That's
so
what
you know what you're doing, bro.
Exactly.
Yeah, this is. Yeah, I can see all the paperwork, man.
That's all we used to do.
Did you go with the Lions?
Yeah, so we ordered everything.
The rocket van?
Man, this thing was a fucking mission. All my windows are pulled out.
Oh shit!
Everything on this.
Crazy, bro.
Yeah, man. This is since 2004.
Oh my god!
So
even with the Lambo doors.
What
the hell, bro?
Yeah, this is exactly it. That's the crazy part. It's just like when you actually, when you were making all these cars, I was like watching. I was like, holy shit, because I used to have the Varus. Cut it, modded it. No, man, I've always wanted to talk to you. This is crazy.
Yeah, what the heck? I mean, this is what I'm here for, is the BRZ trunk, but this is a nice treat.
So.
Oh god damn, that's hella clean, bro.
Yeah, I sold it, crashed the week after.
Oh my gosh.
In BC.
Damn, that's so clean.
Yeah.
It's like satin.
Yeah, it was like a satin black. Wow. Carbon hood, carbon roof, carbon trunk. And then yeah.
Whoa, crazy, man. So if you look closely, it got hit by the hail.
The hail, yeah.
like pretty bad.
Yeah.
I've asked around, but like I'm getting quoted thousands, so I think I'm just gonna try to do it myself. Yeah, and then that's why I got this, was just to replace that bad boy.
Yeah, you can get an overlay for your roof.
Yeah, I saw like a carbon overlay.
I think I spent $1,200 on mine. It took about 6 weeks to come in.
Damn.
And all you do is you sand down your roof, and you just do 2-ply, just a little bit of glue,
3M?
right? So 3M carbon fiberglass metal.
Yeah.
Right? And you just lay it down, pressurize it.
I think that's what I'm gonna do, man. If I can't get as many of these out as possible, like luckily the trunk you're selling is BRZ, so it's pre-drilled with the holes.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's a lot of work. Oh, thank you, man. I mean, seen better days, but no, I appreciate that. No. Yeah.
Such a head turner.
It's like one of the only green cars on this road, so.
Yeah, it's so unique.
Man, Harji, do you have a card or anything, man? Now that I know you guys are a thing here.
Yeah, so I work for Car Store now.
Okay.
This is just gonna be hobby.
Sick, dude.
Just hobby.
Honestly, pursue your passions, man. You got the space for it, so yeah.
It's hard.
Understandable,
I did it for
man.
10 years. 10 years, 70 hours a week.
Yeah.
I just had it. I'm like, this is not worth it. I built a really good clientele base, but now it's just weekends, that's it.
Yeah. If I have any questions, man, I know who to come to.
100%.
So,
I'll come
Harji,
by
appreciate you, brother.
Any questions. I'm not in charge or anything. You let me know. Yeah,
Definitely, man. Yeah, of course. We'll make it both worth our time. So.
Of course.
Oh, thanks, man. You're cool shit. Thanks, bro. Good luck on that build, man. I appreciate these interactions. Even when I was parking, like a Beamer came by and like this Lexus, and they're like, "We watch your videos." But yeah, man. Oh, awesome guy. Smoothest transactions, bro. And we got the trunk in the back. Again, because it is a BRZ trunk. We lucked out because the holes are pre-drilled in them, so I can still use my BRZ spoiler. Alright, let's go to that meet. Crazy. Okay, we just got here. There's a lot of sick cars, man. Let's just park right up front. Why not? Damn, I wasn't expecting this. This is pretty crazy. Yo, we're late, but we made it. Just in time for the awards, I guess. Let's show you some of the cars that are here. I only got 4 minutes left on this SD. Well, first time here, this is crazy. Hi guys. Okay. This is TJ's car. Freaking beautiful. God, that's loud, bro. These guys are having their exhaust battle right now. That's crazy. There's some pretty cool cars there. They were having their exhaust battle, which would end off our night, and everyone was kind of just going from one car to the other. Stayed around for that, but that was pretty much it for the rest of the night, and I just went home. Alright, we're back in the studio space, and I just wanted to remind you before I end the video that we do have our newest collection on the Kings Must Rise website available. We only have a handful of mediums and larges left of the Conquered Your Demons black pullover. Now that I think about it, we haven't actually come out with a black pullover since our second release ever, and that was years ago. So if you don't want to miss out on this chance, make sure you go grab one after this video. So I've been busy for the past week working on my most expensive, like the most I've ever been paid for a custom commission art piece. Two, actually, in this case. It's a diptych, and they are the paintings you see behind me. Here's a little sneak preview. If you haven't been following me on Instagram, I've actually posted the rough sketches of these two pieces on there, so go check it out. This is practically what it looks like. So it's like a Mangaverse collision of characters on one side facing the right, and more anime characters, including Spawn. I count him though, I count him. This is like a comic collision, if you will. Got the RX-78 Gojo Super Saiyan 4 Goku specifically, Silver Age costumed All Might, first gen Naruto, and Saitama himself. And then on the other side, you got Eren, Attack Titan form, Gear 5 Luffy, Spawn, Gon from Hunter x Hunter, Tanjiro, and Mewtwo. You can kind of imagine it, right? I actually did start on the second side too, but yeah. This is just like a regular letter size piece of paper, and these canvases are 37 by 40. So pretty big. Here is the size comparison beside me. It's definitely taller than half my body size. So aside from documenting this entire process, you guys are actually able to watch me paint this in real time. Granted, I'm still live, but watch the live stream at twitch.tv/supbirdie with an underscore. Would also appreciate the follow on Twitch. And once these paintings are finished, we're gonna be recreating them in print form. The commission buyer actually told me that I can do these, but when we release them, it's gonna be hella limited. Right now, the sketch prints are available in poster size, 25 of one side and 25 of the other side. So if you don't wanna miss out on these super limited premiere prints, then I suggest you go grab yourself one. The prints themselves are gonna be numbered too, out of 25 on each side. And for the colored version, when we release those sides, it's also gonna be out of 50. So you have the option to buy both sides, but all of them are gonna be hand signed, hand numbered, never gonna be recreating them ever again. That's what I mean when I say it's super limited. I'm not even gonna be selling these during the shows or the conventions and events. They're only gonna be purely available at the projectrocket.shop website. But then at the very end of all of it, we're gonna be having a giveaway for anyone who does end up picking up a print. That becomes your one chance to win one of the originals, both the sketch concept and the inking of it. I'm gonna consider the original sketches the chases that you guys have the chance to win. But that's what's been happening in my life recently. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're one of those people who want to get started on your own personal brand or need a little bit of inspiration, make sure you watch this vlog. See you guys in the next one.